Hi, Dave Weiss here with the Glue Bomb Show. I wanted to give you an update on the Saturn V rocket project. So here's what I've got done so far. Now, this is test fitting, okay? I don't have a lot of this glued together yet. I've test fitted it, and I've done that for a reason. If you remember, this thing is painted with vertical stripes going up and down the entire fuselage of the rocket, but in different configurations at different places. So there's going to be a lot of drawing, a lot of taping, a lot of those kind of things. And what I was really hoping for was I'm going to have to pretty much do that whole taping, painting thing all at once. I'm going to start off by drawing the lines where they go so that I'll have something good to tape by. I'm going to try to do that with a really light pencil, hoping that it will come off afterwards, which is a little scary. But I'm going to position the tape in such a way that hopefully I'll be able to cover over that. What I was hoping to do was I was hoping to follow the seams because all these are they're halves, right? There's two halves that make the tube. And so I was hoping that I could use the seams for the vertical lines, but what I've found is the seams do not line up. You've got one seam over here and another seam is over here. So you see they don't line up. So I'm going to have to do something a little different with that. I haven't quite decided how that's going to work yet. But I thought I'd give you a little update. I am working on it. It is going slowly. And part of the reason for that is I've just been really slammed and really busy. But hey, you can see it's coming together. Sometimes our model building works like that. You see all the tape on here, that's to hold the seams together. I'm not totally happy with the seams on this. They're kind of large, and like I say, I was really hoping to use them as guides for my taping. So I'm probably going to have to go back and putty all these seams, and that's going to take some time as well. But as you can see, it's pretty impressive. I have a hard time even getting it. It doesn't even fit in the shot vertically, and I have a whole other stage yet to go. So that's what's happening with this. Just wanted to let you know I haven't left it drop. I am working on it. Again, the whole interior's been painted green because that's what they wanted you to do. So it's working. It's coming together. And when I tape off those stripes next week, I'll post another video. All right. Thanks, guys. Take care. And remember, model building is supposed to be fun. So make it fun.